Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to install Delta on your iOS device, offering you advanced control within your favorite game. We will carefully go over the essential preparation steps, ensuring your device is ready for this modification. Then, I will guide you through two distinct and effective installation processes, giving you options that suit your preference. Finally, we will discuss vital post-installation checks and common solutions, helping you enjoy your enhanced experience without issues. Before we begin, preparing your device correctly is crucial for a smooth installation process. First, confirm your iPhone or iPad is running iOS version 13 or newer. Older versions might encounter compatibility problems. Second, secure a strong and consistent internet connection, ideally Wi-Fi, to prevent download interruptions. Lastly, double-check your device has at least 1 GB of available storage space for the application and its associated files. Proper preparation makes the entire process much easier for everyone. One highly reliable way to install Delta involves using a computer-based sideloading application. Begin by downloading a trusted sideloading tool onto your PC or Mac, which you can easily find with a quick search. Next, connect your iOS device to your computer using a certified USB cable, ensuring a stable link between them. Then, simply drag and drop the Delta application file into the sideloading tool, signing in with your Apple ID when prompted to initiate the installation onto your device. This method generally provides a very stable installation. Another convenient option involves using a third-party app store or a direct installer website. First, research and select a reputable installer that provides Delta specifically for iOS devices. Follow their clear on-screen instructions to download and install the application profile directly onto your phone. Next, you must go into your device's settings, navigate to General, then VPN and Device Management, and trust the associated developer certificate. Be aware that these installations often require reinstallation roughly every 7 days, to remain active on your device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.